This is Steve from the Celtic Farm with another garden guide on one of our favorites, lavender. Have you ever wondered how to cultivate your own fragrant lavender oasis? Welcome to this indispensable guide where we delve deep into the mesmerizing universe of lavender. Renowned for its calming scent and vibrant purple blossoms, lavender has won the hearts of garden admirers all around the world. In this guide, we will navigate through the enchanting herb's botanical profile, its rich heritage, the myriad benefits and varieties, and practical steps for planting and nurturing lavender. We're about to embark on a fragrant journey through the world of this entrancing herb. Known scientifically as Lavandula and part of the mint family, lavender is a Mediterranean native. This perennial herb, with its distinctive aroma and vibrant purple flowers, has been a garden favorite for centuries. Originating from the harsh environments of the Mediterranean mountains, lavender has evolved to thrive in a variety of conditions, making it a versatile addition to gardens worldwide. Its history is as rich as its scent, with roots tracing back over 2,500 years. Ancient Egyptians used lavender in their mummification process, valuing its preservative and aromatic properties. The Romans too recognized its benefits, incorporating it into their bathing rituals for its calming effects. Fast forward to medieval Europe, lavender was used to ward off the plague. Its medicinal and therapeutic uses continued to be valued, leading to its widespread cultivation. Today, it's a beloved feature in many gardens, offering a blend of beauty, fragrance, and history. Valued across cultures for its medicinal and therapeutic properties, lavender's rich history spans over 2,500 years. Lavender's multifaceted appeal lies in its uses in aromatherapy for relaxation, culinary delights, and beautifying garden landscapes. This fragrant herb offers a soothing aroma that's perfect for creating a tranquil ambiance in your home or garden. Its vibrant purple blooms are a visual treat, adding a pop of color to any landscape. In the kitchen, lavender infuses dishes with a unique flavor profile, elevating even the simplest of recipes. From the sweet-scented English lavender to the unique Spanish variety, each lavender type offers unique characteristics suitable for diverse climates and uses. For optimal growth, lavender needs full sun and well-draining soil. This Mediterranean native loves the sunshine, so find a spot where it can bask in at least 6 hours of light each day. The soil should be loose and gravelly. If you're dealing with heavy, clay-rich earth, consider adding some sand or compost to improve drainage. Planting is best done in the spring or early fall. Space each plant approximately 3 feet apart to ensure good air circulation. Now let's talk about care. Lavender is pretty low maintenance. It requires little water and absolutely no fertilizing. In fact, too much of either can lead to root rot. Once a year, give your lavender a good prune. This helps maintain its shape and encourages new growth. Lavender thrives with minimal watering and no fertilizing, benefiting from annual pruning to maintain its shape and encourage new growth. Be vigilant against pests, diseases, and environmental stresses to keep your lavender healthy. Address challenges swiftly, ensuring your plants remain vibrant. With the right care, this enchanting herb will bring joy and fragrance to any garden. Thank you for joining us on this lavender growing journey.